What's up, people? GM Skywatcher, and I'm just outside watching my skies, and of course we got one coming and going. These criminals continue to lace our skies with chemicals, and people are just not aware. I gotta see this. Where did he go? There he is. See if we can catch him turning on the sprayer. Come on, you bastard. I know what you came to do. You came to destroy humanity, you scumbag. A little reflection from the sunlight. Yeah, where do you go? Man, I lost him. I think he's behind a tree. Well, we all know what that scumbag is headed to do. Is make a mess like this. I mean, is there anything in your mind that tells you that this is normal? I mean, just look at this disgusting mess. Can you believe that there are actually humans that think that these are clouds? And I guess that has to do with indoctrination. None of this is clouds. You can call them chemical clouds, chem clouds. They are definitely chemicals. Heavy metals used to poison humanity. Do you notice this stuff's not moving? Uh-oh, what do we got coming here? Uh-oh, this guy, I know he is headed right toward the sunset. I mean, is it a coincidence that these planes are headed? Let's see what this dude's doing. Wow. Wow, we got chemicals back here too. But just look where that plane's going. Heading right for the mess. You know, he's flying at a lower altitude than all these chemicals, because if that plane flies through this mess, puts a line right through it, splits the mess in half. And how do I know this? Because I've filmed it a few times. And guess what? That doesn't happen with natural clouds. I don't know, where's that guy coming from? I mean, I don't know. Maybe that's just a normal passenger plane, but whatever. They're part of it. They're in the sky, and they're not whistleblowers. They're part of the problem. They're part of the agenda. I mean, just look at this massive, I mean, it looks like an explosion of chemicals. It's absolutely so sad to me that the majority of the people are so out of touch with reality. Because this is our reality and people aren't aware of it. I mean, could you ever think of something so diabolical? The government poisoning the air, water, and food that we must use to live, and then on top of that, taking the sun away from us. I mean, that just sounds like a recipe for disaster, catastrophe. People, we need to stay vigilant. We need to spread the word. We need people to re-examine their skies. The ones that have chalked this up to chemtrails and water vapor because the TV told me so, the television, the TV, the TV that told you man was on the moon, the TV that told you we have a rover on Mars. I mean, are you fucking kidding me? The TV that tells you that vaccines are safe and they don't cause cancer and they won't kill you. People, the disgusting creatures that are on your television, the ones that are yucking it up and laughing it up and smiling and, oh, everything's great, yeah. Yeah, those fucking pieces of shit, excuse my language. You know, normally I don't curse so much, but I mean, I do. They're just words at the end of the day. And what is that? What do they really mean? But, you know, I apologize if I'm offending anybody, but I just get so frustrated. And obviously, you know, I'm absolutely passionate about what's going on in our skies and this world that is being created for our children. The lies and deception. You know, I remember watching President Obama and talking about the absurdity of tyranny leaking or lurking around the corner. Are you fucking kidding me? You fucking mind-altering fucking people. Brainwashing, mind-manipulating puppet. And believe me, it's not just Obama. It's Trump. It's all of them. It's Bill Clinton. It's George Bush. It's George W. Bush. You know, he played the fucking retard. Excuse my language again. People, just wake up.